You are very, very precious. Your life is precious to India. Remember that. You are not living just for yourself. If you are not happy living for yourself, know that you are needed on this planet. You are needed by Mother India. You know, every 40 seconds, one Yuva is committing suicide in the world. We don't want this to happen anymore. Because we want to inform everyone. We want to tell everyone, hey, you are not here only for yourself. You know, there is a mantra to get depressed. You know what it is? Just say, what about me, what about me, what about me, what about... Anyone will get depressed. What about you? But when you say, I am here for you, to everyone around you, and do whatever little you can, you will get a renewed enthusiasm to live. Right? I want all of you to turn to your left, right, or in the front or back before you leave to tell your friends, hey, I am here for you. నేనున్నానయ్యా అని చెప్పండి. ఐఎమ్ దేర్ ఫర్ యూ. నేనున్నాను. అది ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ తీసుకొని వస్తుంది మన లోపల కూడా. నేనున్నాను మీకోసము అని. ఏమి నేను చెప్పాను, నేనున్నాను మీకోసం.